We're here in one of my local Walmarts, and we got four dinos, couple Kongs, couple Godzillas, some Battle Cat, He-Man Skeletor, Becky Lynch, Stunning Steve, Bianca, bunch of the 81s, May, yeah, and some Alien. They have a Supreme Scientist. I'm pretty surprised at that. Oh, what else do we have? Some Space Jam. The Child is the only thing we have for Star Wars. A Sparkless Seeker. An Optimus Primal from the War for Cybertron. A few other assorted robots. Even Beyblades is hurting here. But yeah, this Walmart usually doesn't have a lot, but I figured I have to stop in here for something anyway, so let's check it out. Alright, we'll head over to NECA. Alright, in the collectibles, we got Steve Irwin, some normal pops that we always see. We got a Starlight there and a Chunk doing the dance. That's fun. And then coming around, let's check out this side first. We got some Toonie Terrors, some vinyl sets of Bob Ross and Groot. Got Alien and Kane. Some NECA Ghostface lined right up there. Some Space Jam, Deadpool statues. And up here, we got Starlight and Homelander. Got Rhino Aliens. Got the Batman Joker set. King Kong, Shang-Chi out of place, Alphonse, Spike. Bunch of Migos. Gundam, some Fig Pins. And more pops. But I don't see anything new over there. This one's tempting me, but again, I have to pass. So, anyway, I think I'm going to pop into a GameStop next door and see what they got, just for kicks. Alright, guys. Till then. Alright, we're in GameStop and we got tons of pops. That Ahsoka's awesome. Got Bo-Katan, God. Bunch of Miles, Shang-Chi's, Avengers, Marvel, Falcon, Sharon Carter, a bunch of Deadpools, Infinity Wars, all kinds of pops. Seinfeld down here, we got Kramer, George, Happy Days, we got Arnold, Chachi, Fonzie, Eagle Knievel, Goldberg from the Mighty Ducks. And yep. So swinging around, we got Mario, Pokemon, got our statues, SH Figure Arts. We got Power Rangers, Halo, Apex, Noob, Bloodied, Cabal, Gung-Ho, The Witcher. What's that back there? Warhammer Unpainted. Got Electro Staff, Shadow Trooper. Bunch of DC. Got Canar and Jackson. Retros. Luke. Here we got our 2-packs, MODOK, and Assorted Legends. Hi, how are you?
Pretty good.
No, just looking for figures.
Nice.
I check in periodically just to see what's new on the shelves and stuff. So
Yeah, good idea. We get some new stuff in all the time.
yeah.
If there's anything you have a question about, you can just go ahead and ask me. My name is Corey.
All right, Corey. Thanks. Bunch of games, dice sets, things like that. Spider-Man, Miles Morales, Fortnite, Roblox, Five Nights at Freddy's. Down here, some statues. Dragon Ball, more statues, Pokemon. Cleared section still looks to be about the same. Domino and Mystique 18. These guys are about 19. Unfortunately, nothing I don't already have. So, Pokemon. More Mario stuff. Got some Super-Ramas, Expanse, Sonic. Yeah, so that looks to be about it. Tauntaun sleeping bags. So I think we will call it there, and I will see you guys probably back at the toy room. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy G-Force, and I am a little crazy probably because we're going to be heading out to toy hunt during a tropical storm. Let's see if I can put my money where my mouth is. Told Sleepin' I'd get him a Namor. Let's go find one. Okay, folks, so we are at our first stop, and it is Target. And there's my favorite girl that got me all the stuff I wanted. She's cool. Alright, let's see what we got down Figgy aisle. We got Wing Gundams, we got Iron-Blooded Orphans, we got Grandpa Gundam, we got G-Frame 13, that's new. We got wrestlers. We got anime. Tons of stuff on those shelves. Vegeta, Bardock, Gogeta. Wow, lots of stuff. Wrestling's looking light. Star Wars, more than they've had. Got Grief and another Boba Fett if I wanted. I already have, well, I had 3. Now I'm down to 2. Hanging in there with the Rise of Evil. Not much else on the pegs for Masters. Got our Pixar. Got our video game stuff. Nothing screaming out new there. Got some dinos. Let's pop around the other side. Bunch of Harry Potter Lego. And over here, we got Jokers, we got Flash. Tons of Jokers, Unmasked. Some Toddy Mac Batman. Not much in Transformers. Got an Ultra Magnus on the bottom. Power Rangers. We're stocked up with Joe's, Cobra Commander, Lady J, and Flint. We got toys on the shelf. I mean, it's nothing I need. House of X, Shang-Chi, and Frogman. Alright, let's go check out the NECA section. Alright, down here in the NECA section, I'm seeing new stuff. Team Fortress 2. Never seen them. They're kind of decent. Kind of neat. Don't know nothing about them, but looks like they're all the same people. Got a couple more of these Ripleys and compression suits, a couple endoskeletons. Got Gorilla Grodd, The Witcher, some Gold Wonder Woman, Flash, nothing behind them, some more Warhammer. Got some Migos. Oh, Krang, never saw him before. Rocksteady, another Krang, Bebop, and a Rocksteady. Some horror figs, some Rangers, bunch of Pops. Seinfeld's loaded up, got Xerax and Zork, and what looks to be our pretty typical NECA section after that. I do have a couple aliens. Alright, well, that looks to be it for that. Let's check if there's anything cool over here. We got Fortnite, we got Fallout, we got The Witcher, we got Mandarin Spawn, and Cabal. Alright guys, next stop probably Walgreens. So we have made it to Walgreens and got a Majin Buu final form, never seen him before. Ractonite, Maurice, Baraka, and Superman Lex Luthor, Alexa Bliss, Vegito, some Gundams, some Overwatch, It, Avatar, some Westworld, some John Wick. Up we got our Jin Urso and Finn. Looks like they sold Old Ray. That's pretty impressive. A White Ranger. And looky here. Just what we were searching for. Namors. Try to find them the best box possible. We got a Songbird back there. Yeah, I'm sure these are probably all beat up a little bit sleeping, but we'll find you the best one we can. Oh my gosh. That one's got a dinged corner. I think it's gonna be this one. Plastic's a little scratched up. It's got a couple corner rubs on it, but yeah, this one looks the best. Oh, heavy crease on that. Hold on. They all have that heavy crease on the back. Yeah, that's the best one. So, out here in a tropical storm. It's looking like Waterworld in Clayton today. But we're gonna get my boy his figure that he's looking for. And what more fitting figure than an aquatic hero? Alright guys, we're gonna pay for this. Oh, we should show you if anything else is out here, I guess, huh? And that's a negative. No Joes. Nothing like that. Alright, gonna pay for him. And then on to a Target. We are in Target number 2. And we have the Captain America and Spider-Man art pops. Got a Wenwu and an Electro. That's it for that end cap. Let's see what we got for the Dino end cap. Nothing much. Big pirate ship. Alright, let's get to the main toy aisle, and we are greeted with Beyblades. Shang-Chi. We only have 10 Katies, so they're not really keeping up with it. 7 AI, Tony Starks. You guys are slacking. Some Zartan. Got a Scarlet, Cobra Infantry, another Zartan, Repaint Roadblock, and another Cobra Infantry. If I didn't have 2 infantries stacked up. See, I can't buy another one of these, paint or no paint. It's not in the cards for me. We got some Transformers, Ultra Magnus, a lot of the Bumblebee wave. Got an Aquaman, Jokers, Red Batman, more Jokers, Bat Cycle. On this side we have Meowscles, the Skull Trooper inverted, 8-ball. Halo, we got Cat, and looks like a Spartan MK. Some of the little guys, some Roblox, Mario and Sonic. Got some Pokemon stuff, Knight Rider and James Bond hanging out in the wrong section. But yeah, that's this aisle. Let's flip around, see what we got in the next. All our Nerf guns. There's more dinos. That's looking a little better. Pixar. Space Jam. We got Rise of Evils, stacked to the wall, Panther, Battle Cat, He-Man, Skeletor. What I hate seeing is same old Star Wars. Grief, Queen Amidala, retros. Wrestling. Does not look like they've gotten the new stuff yet. It's a P.S. Michael Hayes. I've been looking for him, but I don't know, do I want him? We'll hang on to him, see. 50% off on Childs, 50% off on Babu Freak. And I think that's going to do it for the toy aisle. Let's see if we can find some end caps. And we do have an end cap with a couple Skelegods on it. But it looks like the normal stuff that's usually on these end caps has been picked over pretty well. We got some Space Jam and Rise of Evil stuff over here. Let's hit the NECA section. In NECA we have our Michael Myers. We have Toonie Terror. We have a Ghostface. We have plushies. More Toonie Terrors. Got King Kong, some Back to the Future, some Aliens, some Terminator, typical horror stuff. And we got our Lambert back there. Got an alien here, another Lambert in the way back. Let's see here. Yeah, we looked at that one before. Got Elaine's apartment. Some Pops on the bottom. Some Frogs and Xerax and Zork. Some Godzilla. Some Rainbow Mickeys. Rainbow Deadpool. Deadpool statue. Stan Lee. Some more Seinfeld stuff. We got Kramer and Elaine's apartment down there. Some mini Stanleys. Kits. We got Zaku. We got RX-78 and Barbados. A couple different ones of him. We got our anime, our Super 7s, our Migos, our Best Action. Bebop and Rocksteady and April for the Turtles. More Pops. Some X-Wing kits. More Pops. Dune. Mandarin Spawn. And a couple Witcher figures. The Flash. Alright, let's check the mini aisles. My man's breaking out some toys. May have to go see what's up. Wearables, video game stuff, and plushies in Nintendo Land. So Back to the Future on clearance there, $8.99. That's tempting. And we got Cabals, Cyberpunk, Fortnite. Alright guys, I'm gonna go see if I missed anything, And if I didn't, I will see you in the stop today is Walmart. We got us a Space Jam dealie, live pets, Lego, LOL, and kinetic sand, but not the Masters of the Universe one I was looking for. Dinos looking scarce. G.I. Joe, non-existent. One giant Kong. I guess I got Jet Jaguar there too. Stay Puff and the real Ghostbusters, more Space Jam. Got Shang-Chi. Nothing for DC Multiverse. Loaded up with those Mando speeder bikes still. Insane. Nothing else for Star Wars but the Child and Mission Fleet. Got some Reds, Cheetor, Dinobot, Inferno, Headmaster down there, Hardhead. That's it for Power Rangers, Halo, Fortnite, Mario, Leonard. We only got the big alien. Then they put these down here, Optimus Primal and the Sparkless Seeker. Don't know why they're down here, but let's put them where the Transformers go. I mean, the aisle's decimated too. RC cars, nothing. We got our Five Nights at Freddy's, Roblox, Minecraft, Piggy, Pokemon cards. I don't know nothing about them, but it looks like a good stock up. Got Elite Trainer boxes and some other stuff. Like I said, I don't know what I'm looking at. Shining Fates. And let's see what we got for wrestling. We got a Becky Lynch for 85. Got Aleister Black. Take a look at this. I mean, I do have a Taker, but this one's pretty cool. I don't have any room on my wrestling shelf to buy new figures. It sucks. Karrion Kross. Yeah, they got some new wrestling. Alright, let's take a look around, see what else we can find. Alright, and over here in the collector's zone, we got Deadpool statues, Cap Shields, Iron Hammers, Sorcerer Mickey, Blue, Kong, Cap, It, Dragon Ball Son Goku. We got some of our typical pops that have just been hanging around. Ghostbusters, Dumb and Dumber, Stripes, Deadpools, Q-Figs, No Soup for You shirt. That's a different pop also than the regular Yev. What's his name? Yev Kasem. Yeah, he wasn't spooning out the soup in the other one. He was just pointing his finger. But I don't know. Seems expensive. Oh man, that Iron Hammer's seen better days. And we got some Chunk, some Jerry, some Data, Luchas, Steve Irwin, Artemis Fowl, more Stripes, tons of Mugo. Just Star Trek, Phantom, Willie, Dracula, more Star Trek, Ultraman, Exorcist, It. Seen those, but yeah, so that's probably going to do it for this hunt. We got Miss Pac-Man and Legacy Edition Pac-Man. But I will see you guys back
Here's
at the toy
what
room.
toy hunting in a tropical storm looks like. Just got soaked. I'll see you guys back home. Hello YouTube, it is G-Force and we are back in the toy room. Yep, we completed another hunt. I know I've been a little quiet lately, but like I said in my last video or two, I'm trying to behave. Money's a little tight the past month or so, so been trying not to just buy everything that catches my eye. But yeah, so I went out Sunday and had to do my grocery shopping and whatever, so I hit a Walmart and GameStop, and then I got a Big Bad Toy Store. I emptied out my pile of loot. I only had 3 things in there that have come in so far, so I got Massage number 2. I don't know if you can see her. No, she's over here. But yeah, let's see if we can. Yeah, there's a massage up here. So yeah, number 2 came in. We will keep this one boxed just for prosperity's sake. And then I also, because I can't find them anywhere in stores, got Han in the trench coat from Endor. Now the only one in that wave I need is the Emperor's Royal Guard, which is impossible to find in the stores from what I've seen. Everybody has Han, Luke, and Akbar, but the Royal Guards are fewer and farther between, I guess. So then one finally came in that I've been waiting for a long time, and Captain Rex is in the house. So finally got that one. He was one of my oldest pre-orders. Power Droid still saying October or something. I ordered it in January. But then today I went out to do a little bit of Tropical Storm Elsa hunt. And like I said in Walgreens, it's like Waterworld out there right now. So no more fitting character than Namor to pick up. I told Sleeping on some stream, I was like, yeah, my Walgreens are loaded with them. He's like, get me one, get me one. So Sleeping, that one's for you. I will be in touch with you shortly. And hopefully I'll get that sent out tomorrow. But yeah, that was the hunt, guys. Not a lot been going on in my neck of the woods lately. Again, trying to save money, yada yada yada. So I apologize if the toy hunts haven't been as frequent as normal, but them's the cards I'm dealing here. So everybody, please, if you liked it, hit the like button, subscribe button's right there. If you're not subscribed yet, I'd appreciate that greatly. Get a lot of positive feedback from all you guys, so I appreciate it. Anyway, may you have the best of luck on your next toy hunt. Take care, guys.